Winter. Rules of body revival. Imagine a healthy human when every cell of the body functions properly. However, malfunction in at least one of 70 trillion cells inevitably launches a chain reaction and ultimately leads to whole body deterioration. Why does it happen and how to prevent it? Let's have a look at our typical lifestyle and nutrition plan. In winter, our diet is oversaturated with fats and bad carbohydrates. This has a destructive impact on cells. Particularly, it is manifested in poor complexion and premature wrinkles. Body intoxication puts an enormous load on the liver, which consequently affects digestion. Besides, overflow of bad cholesterol into the body elevates the risk of the cardiovascular diseases. Since our taste receptors prevent us from eating healthy, then coping with such uneasy weather conditions as colds or abrupt pressure swings is most certainly beyond our capabilities. Foul weather causes vasospasms, affects blood circulation, and ultimately threatens the whole cardiovascular system. Day and night inflamed joints suffer from cold. Moreover, daylight hours are also the shortest in winter, which has an adverse impact on the performance of heart and the nervous system. All these unfavorable conditions cause the drop of T cells in our body. Impaired immune system, so to say, paves the way for free radicals that launch oxidation processes. However, these deplorable prospects are absolutely avoidable thanks to the powerful vision program, Winter Rules of Body Revival. 10 products of this program: revitalize the immune system, support the cardiovascular system, strengthen joints, detoxify the body, ensure radiant appearance.